If you want to fix Bluesky verification problem, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First, you need to go and learn more about their policies to verify or their policies on verification. So go ahead to your browser, and as you can see right here in this article, it says Bluesky has no formal verification process. And as a result, celebrities and other notable users are confronting growing legions of imposter accounts, and you're gonna see the examples in those accounts. And as a distributed platform, one where Bluesky does not own or their identities, these can float freely between social media platforms that use the AT protocol. That being said, Bluesky likely isn't interested in introducing antiquated verified badge system similar to one found on X, or adding the infrastructure needed to support identity verification. And secondly, if you want to basically make your chances better, or make your chances better on verifying your account or submitting your verification request, you can go ahead and buy a cheap domain, right? You need to verify a domain if you're using your handle as a domain. So you can use a Namecheap for that matter, right? This is a website that allows you to buy domains for cheap, for less, basically for cheap amount of dollars, and basically you can buy the domain and for less than most websites. And you can use GoDaddy, right? GoDaddy is a website also to buy your domain to establish your whole journey, to start your whole domain journey. So basically pick the legitimate domain and add it to your Bluesky. Go ahead to the Bluesky. If you want to know how to add it, click the three bars at the top left, and then go ahead and click the settings. And basically what you're gonna do, go ahead and click account, and then you're gonna see the handle under the password, and then you can see right here I have my own domain. Click I have my own domain and enter the website, right, the domain, and you can select right here DNS panel or without DNS panel in that case. And afterwards you're gonna just verify the DNS record, and basically you're gonna follow the prompts, and then you're gonna be able to verify your domain via your Bluesky. And if you want to submit a request officially to Bluesky, you can go back to your screen and go ahead to the browser, and then just type right here Bluesky, right? Bluesky, and then you could just type Bluesky Help Center, right? Bluesky Help Center, and then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to their official website or Bluesky Zendesk, right? And then basically click the three bars at the top right, click submit a request, and then basically you're gonna enter your email address of Bluesky, of course, and then enter your username and then the category, and we're gonna select other because there isn't a section for verifying account, and then enter the description of the concern or the request, right? Enter the details of your request. A member of their support staff will respond as soon as possible. Select your device and then choose the file to basically add attachments, maybe to utility bill to verify your basically this is my identity, this is my true identity, and I want to submit a request to verify officially to Bluesky support staff, and then hit submit, and afterwards they will respond to you 24 to 48 hours, and they're gonna follow up with with your request. So let's read out the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.